Taking effective notes is more than just writing down what you hear. It's about actively engaging with the material, organizing your thoughts, and creating a resource you can rely on later. Good notes help you remember key points, clarify complex ideas, and make studying for exams much easier. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to help you take better notes, whether you're in a classroom, a meeting, or learning online. Let's start by understanding why note-taking is such a powerful tool for learning and personal growth. Foundation of great note-taking is active listening. This means focusing your attention on the speaker, avoiding distractions, and really processing what's being said. When you actively listen, you're better able to identify the main ideas and supporting details. Try to listen for cues like repeated phrases or changes in tone, which often signal important information. Remember, the goal isn't to write down everything, but to capture what truly matters. Before you start taking notes, it's important to choose the right tools. Some people prefer traditional pen and paper, while others like digital devices such as laptops or tablets. Each method has its pros and cons. Handwriting can help with memory retention, while digital notes are easy to organize and search. Experiment with different tools to find what works best for you and your learning style. One popular note-taking system is the Cornell method. This approach divides your page into 3 sections: a narrow column for cues or questions, a wider column for main notes, and a summary section at the bottom. During lectures, jot down key points in the main section. Afterward, fill in the cue column with questions or keywords and summarize the topic at the bottom. This structure helps you review and reinforce your learning. Outline method is another effective way to organize your notes. Start with main topics on the left and indent subtopics or supporting details underneath. This hierarchical structure makes it easy to see the relationships between ideas and helps you quickly scan for important information. The outline method works especially well for lectures or readings that follow a clear structure. Mind mapping is a visual note-taking technique that helps you see connections between ideas. Start with a central topic in the middle of the page, then branch out with related concepts, keywords, or images. Use lines, colors, and shapes to highlight relationships. Mind maps are great for brainstorming, planning projects, or studying complex subjects where connections matter. Charting method is ideal for comparing information across categories. Create columns for each category and fill in details as you listen or read. This method is especially useful for subjects like history, science, or business, where you need to track similarities and differences. Charts make it easy to review and spot patterns at a glance. If you prefer a straightforward approach, the sentence method might be for you. Write each new thought, fact, or idea on a separate line as a complete sentence. This method is quick and flexible, making it easy to capture information in fast-paced lectures. Later, you can review and organize your sentences into larger themes or categories. To keep up with fast speakers, develop your own system of abbreviations and symbols. Shorten common words, use arrows for cause and effect, or create your own shorthand for repeated terms. This saves time and helps you capture more information without losing accuracy. Just make sure your abbreviations are clear enough to understand later. Don't be afraid to highlight or underline important ideas as you take notes. Use different colors or symbols to make key points stand out. This makes it easier to review your notes later and quickly find the most critical information. Just be careful not to overdo it. Too much highlighting can make everything look important. Organization is key to effective note-taking. Date your notes, give each page a clear title, and keep related topics together. Use headings, bullet points, and numbering to structure your information. Well-organized notes are easier to review and less likely to get lost or forgotten. Taking notes is just the first step. To really remember what you've learned, review your notes regularly. Set aside time each week to go over your material, fill in any gaps, and quiz yourself on key points. Regular review helps move information from short-term to long-term memory. After each class or meeting, take a few minutes to summarize the main ideas in your own words. This helps you process the information and identify what's most important. Summarizing also makes your notes more personal and easier to understand when you review them later. Don't just record facts, ask questions as you take notes. Write down anything you don't understand or want to explore further. This keeps you engaged and helps you identify areas that need more attention. Later, you can seek out answers or discuss your questions with classmates or teachers. Adding visuals like diagrams, charts, or doodles can make your notes more memorable. Visuals help you understand complex ideas and see relationships between concepts. Don't worry about artistic skill. Simple drawings are often the most effective. Use visuals to break up text and keep your notes interesting. Active engagement is crucial for effective note-taking. Participate in discussions, ask questions, and connect new information to what you already know. The more involved you are, the more meaningful your notes will become. Engagement helps you stay focused and makes learning more enjoyable. Different situations call for different note-taking strategies. In a fast-paced lecture, you might use abbreviations and the sentence method. For a detailed reading, the outline or mind map methods could work better. Be flexible and adapt your approach to fit the material and your needs. Digital note-taking offers unique advantages. Apps like OneNote, Evernote, or Notion let you organize, search, and sync your notes across devices. You can add images, links, and even audio recordings. However, digital notes can also be distracting, so use them wisely and stay focused on the content. Handwriting your notes can improve memory and understanding. The physical act of writing helps you process information more deeply. While it may be slower than typing, handwritten notes often lead to better retention and comprehension. Choose high-quality notebooks and pens to make the process enjoyable. If you take digital notes, keep them organized with folders, tags, and clear file names. Regularly back up your notes to avoid losing important information. Use search functions to quickly find what you need. Digital organization makes it easy to manage large volumes of notes over time. Color coding is a simple way to make your notes more visually appealing and easier to navigate. Assign different colors to topics, types of information, or levels of importance. Use highlighters, pens, or digital tools to add color. This technique helps you quickly locate key sections and organize your thoughts. Templates can save time and keep your notes consistent. Create or download templates for different types of classes or meetings. Templates might include sections for main ideas, questions, and summaries. Using a consistent format makes your notes easier to review and compare. Recording lectures can be a helpful supplement to your notes, especially if you miss something during class. Always ask for permission before recording. Use recordings to fill in gaps or clarify confusing points when you review your notes later. Remember, recordings should support, not replace, active note-taking. After class, take a few minutes to summarize the main points and reflect on what you learned. This helps reinforce your understanding and makes it easier to review later. Summarizing also highlights any areas you need to revisit or clarify. Working with classmates can improve your notes. Share ideas, compare notes, and discuss difficult concepts together. Collaboration helps you fill in missing information and see topics from different perspectives. Just make sure your notes remain your own and reflect your understanding. Effective notes are concise and to the point. Focus on main ideas, key facts, and essential details. Avoid copying everything verbatim, summarize and paraphrase instead. Concise notes are easier to review and less overwhelming when it's time to study. Consistency in your note-taking style makes your notes easier to use. Stick to the same format, symbols, and abbreviations across all your notes. This reduces confusion and helps you quickly find information when you need it. Spend a few minutes reviewing your previous notes before each class or meeting. This refreshes your memory and helps you connect new information to what you already know. Pre-class review also prepares you to ask better questions and participate more actively. Leave space in the margins of your notes for additional thoughts, questions, or clarifications. Margins are great for jotting down ideas that come up later or for highlighting important points during review. This extra space makes your notes more flexible and useful. Distractions can ruin your note-taking. Put away your phone, close unnecessary tabs, and find a quiet place to work. Staying focused helps you capture more information and makes your notes more accurate and useful. Bullet points are a simple way to organize information and make your notes easier to scan. Use them for lists, steps, or key facts. Bullet points help break up large blocks of text and highlight important details. Instead of copying information word for word, try to paraphrase it in your own language. This forces you to process and understand the material, making it more likely to stick in your memory. Paraphrasing also makes your notes more meaningful and easier to review. Headings help break your notes into sections and make it easier to find specific topics. Use bold or underlined text to mark new sections. Clear headings improve organization and make your notes more readable. Studying with others can help you spot gaps in your notes and deepen your understanding. Compare notes, discuss confusing points, and quiz each other on key ideas. Peer review is a great way to reinforce learning and gain new insights. There are many digital tools that can enhance your note-taking. Try apps for mind mapping, flashcards, or voice-to-text. Explore features like tagging, linking, and cloud storage to keep your notes organized and accessible from anywhere. Like any skill, note-taking improves with practice. Try different methods, experiment with new tools, and reflect on what works best for you. The more you practice, the more efficient and effective your notes will become. Staying motivated is key to consistent note-taking. Set goals for your learning, reward yourself for progress, and remind yourself of the benefits. Motivation helps you stick with good habits and continue improving over time. Take time to reflect on your notes after each study session. Ask yourself what you learned, what's still unclear, and how you can improve your note-taking next time. Reflection helps you identify strengths and areas for growth. Spaced repetition is a technique for reviewing notes at increasing intervals over time. This method helps you remember information longer and reduces the need for last-minute cramming. Use flashcards or review schedules to practice spaced repetition. Make your notes your own by adding personal examples, stories, or connections to your life. Personalization makes information more meaningful and easier to remember. The more your notes reflect your thinking, the more useful they'll be. A positive attitude can make a big difference in your note-taking. Don't get discouraged by mistakes or messy pages. Every effort helps you improve. Stay optimistic and keep working towards better notes and better learning. Before exams, review your notes thoroughly. Focus on key points, summaries, and any areas you found challenging. Use your notes to create study guides or practice questions. Thorough review helps you feel confident and prepared. Protect your notes by keeping them in a safe place, whether physical or digital. Use folders, binders, or cloud storage to prevent loss. Well-kept notes are always ready when you need them for review or assignments. As you learn more, update your notes with new information, corrections, or insights. Keeping your notes current ensures they remain accurate and useful. Regular updates also help you track your progress and deepen your understanding. Making better notes is a journey of continuous improvement. By experimenting with different methods, staying organized, and reflecting on your progress, you'll develop a system that works for you. Remember, the best notes are the ones that help you learn, grow, and achieve your goals. Keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy the process of learning through note-taking.